So we're gonna install a S&B particle separator on the Razor Pro XP today. You guys gonna help or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. So we're gonna replace this air box down to this flimsy, cheap tube that's sucking itself in under a lot of pressure, and it leads all the way to the air filter box. We got some more upgrades coming tomorrow for the charge tube and the intake tube off the other side of the air box. But I'm gonna start busting this down, maybe do a time lapse, and maybe the girls will help, maybe not. Almost bedtime for them. Say hi, Harper.
On my channel.
Oh, you're on my channel.
No, you're on mine.
No, you're on mine.
No, you're on this.
Love you.
Dad,
all right, we'll see you in a little bit. So we got the main part all mounted. The new intake. We've putting the body panels on for last till we know how to separate any dirt particles, longer air filter life, and no dirt into your motor. Alright, so next step is we got to pull all the screws out of this back plate. Might have to loosen up these seatbelt clamps, get them out of the way. We got to pull this all out. We got to pull out the cup holder. We got to loosen up all the screws down the bottom edge of this center console so we can fish the wire all the way up into the dash. So we will try to get a time lapse of that. Alright, so I forgot to move the camera, but got it wired up to the power source up here, fished through the center console, through the rear cup holder center console, back to over here. And then while I forgot to move the camera, I started hooking up the ignition sensor. So clamps right on to the spark plug wire, and that's what tells it to spin the motors, I guess.